Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Welcome to my channel Stotramala, daily chanting shlokas. In this video, covering 6 small but very important and powerful shlokas of Shiva. Who is Shiva? Shiva is one of the Trimurtis. Trimurtis are Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. Maheshwara means Shiva. In Hindu Sanatana Dharma, we believe that Trimurtis are handling the cosmic cycle, that is Srishti, Sthiti and Laya. Brahma takes care of Srishti, that is creating the world, and Vishnu takes care of Sthiti, preserving and maintaining the world, and Shiva takes care of Laya, that is destroying or transforming the world for renewal and rebirth. Shivji paving the way for the beneficial change. Shiva is also called as Adiyogi. Meditation on Shiva or chanting his mantra helps to attain enlightenment. He is the ultimate source of energy. He is the Omkara. He protects us from all evil energy. Shiva is a family man, lives with his wife Parvati and children Kartikeya and Ganpati. He shows us how to balance between worldly life and spiritual life. Shiva is worshipped in the form of linga. Om Namah Shivaya is the ultimate chant for inner peace. Today we learn some shlokas of Shiva. शिव के ओमकार स्वरूप को प्रणाम करते हुए से दिस श्लोका. ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. सेकेंड श्लोका. वंदे शंभु उमापतिं सुरगुरुं वंदे जगत्कारणं वंदे पन्नगभूषणं मृगधरं वंदे पशूनां पतिं वंदे सूर्यशशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वंदे मुकुन्दप्रियं वंदे भक्तजनाश्रयं च वरदं वंदे शिवं शङ्करम्. थर्ड श्लोका. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. नेक्स्ट श्लोका. एक्चुअली आगे की 3 श्लोका जो है मैंने मेरे संस्कृत लेक्चर नारायण शास्त्री जी से सीखा था. When he enters our class, we used to say this shloka. वागर्थाविव सम्प्रक्तौ वागर्थौ प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ श्लोका. माता च पार्वती देवी पिता देवो महेश्वरः बान्धवा शिवभक्ताश्च स्वदेशो भुवनत्रयम्. नेक्स्ट वन. सिक्स्थ श्लोका. भवानी शङ्करं वन्दे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्तमीश्वरम्. Without seeing Shivji, Siddha means sages, can't be happy. They will become restless. This is the meaning of this shloka. Chant these shlokas for your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. It helps to balance your emotions and improves self-confidence. Chanting helps to reduce anxiety and give you positive energy. It helps to calm your mind. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Hari Om.